there, it's Craig with Cables and Kits, and I wanted to talk a little bit today about our floor stand model hand sanitizer dispenser. This is the adjustable model that we have that's got a pole mount, and it's got some different adjustment points where you can raise it and lower it. It's not in the highest setting right now. It can go up about another 3 or 4 inches from where it's at, and of course it can go lower as well. I just want to show you real quick, when you open it up, you have a refillable bottle, so you can pour your hand sanitizer in there, so you don't have to buy a special cartridge. And then to put the batteries in, you just open this up and there's the batteries right there on the side. This one takes 4 C batteries. This particular model that I'm going to demonstrate today is a gel model, but we do have this in both gel and in liquid spray. But today I'm going to demonstrate this one. So I've closed it, I'm going to turn it on, and then I'm just going to show you, just there you go. And nice little dollop of hand sanitizer to remove all the nasties from my hands. And that's pretty much it. So we have this, as I said, in the gel model. We also have a spray model, and this is the adjustable version. We also have a different non-adjustable version that has a little bit different features. We'll do a different video on those, and you can take a look at that too. Thanks and have a great day. CablesAndKits.com. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at sales@CablesAndKits.com, and we hope you have a great one.